Hi everyone, if you want to revise the whole of integration, mastering with all the type of questions, you are in the right place. And this video series will help you to achieve that. Check it out. Hi everyone, this is our sixth video tutorial on the subject of integration. In this video, we are going to go further to understand more trigonometric functions. So my pattern number 14 to pattern number 18, giving more flavor to the integration. If the questions having a different format, you need to be change that format in order to make your question simpler. The technique we are using is using the trig identities, using the double angle formulas to making the trigonometric function easier to integrate. Let's look at some formulas. Integrating tan squared x. Integrating tan squared x, there is no formula for the ready-made formula for tan squared. However, we have a formula for trigonometric identity for tan squared equal sec squared minus 1. That is the trig equation. You need to remember that. So I'm doing the question number 3 since we explained the pattern number 14. Integrating tan squared dx, which can be written as tan squared is sec squared x minus 1 dx, integration of sec squared x dx minus integration of 1 dx. Sec squared x integration, we have a ready-made formula. Pattern number 9. Integrating sec squared is tan x. So that is tan x minus integrating 1 is just x plus c. That is the beauty about this trig identities. We need to use the trig identities to change the question into a familiar format, then the integration becomes simpler. Now that is the pattern number 14, and we are going to pattern number 15, cot squared. So I'm going to do the question number 4, everyone. So question number 4, integrating cot squared x dx. Cot squared x dx is integrating cosec squared x minus 1. Now, when you are integrating these two functions, you can write as integrating cosec squared x dx minus integrating 1 dx. And now we have a ready-made formula for cosec squared x is minus cot x minus x plus c. The formula pattern number 7 to 12 that will be given into you in the formula book during your exam. So you don't need to remember those kind of things. But if you can memorize or if you can keep in practice with this one, that will be, you can do the question more quickly. Now the next one is sine squared x. Pattern number 16 and question number 1. Integrating sine squared x dx. Very important one. When you are integrating sine squared x, there is no ready-made formula available for that one. However, you know the cos 2x double angle formula has that sine squared function. So cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. You can simply make the sine squared x as a subject, which is 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So if you rearrange the sine squared from the cos double angle, that is the formula. So I'm changing the integration question to 1 minus cos 2x dx. Now divide by 2 can become as a half outside of the integration of 1. Now minus integration of cos 2x dx. So this is the answer, and I'm putting the half outside. So the final answer is half is going to be outside. Now integrating 1 is going to be x minus cos 2x integration is sine 2x over 2. Sine 2x, you need to divide by the coefficient of x, which is 2, and that is the answer. Plus c always comes as an integration constant. That is the question number 1, and we are going to do the question number 2 as well. So now in your integration, if you happen to have the cos squared x integration, so integrating cos squared x dx, which you can change the question into a double angle formula. So which is cos 2x equal 2 cos squared x minus 1. You can change the cos squared x into 1 plus cos 2x divide by 2. So you can write this as a half 1 plus cos 2x divide by 2. Divide by 2. That 1 over 2 is already I have taken outside of the integration dx. Now half integrating 1 dx plus integrating cos 2x dx, bracket close. So half is outside, integrating 1 is x, plus integrating cos 2x is sine 2x over 2 plus c. And that is the answer. You can leave it like that. That is question number 1, 2, 3, 4, all done. Right, now the next topic is integrating sin x cos x function. So pattern number 18, integrating sin x cos x dx. So if sin x and cos x are multiplied together inside the integration, you need to think about the sine double angle, sine 2 theta formula. Sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. By using this sine double angle, you can change the question into sine theta cos 2 theta can be written as sine 2x over 2. So take the half outside. Integrating sine 2x. Integrating sine 2x is, the answer is integrating sine 2x is half minus cos 2x divide by 2. The answer is minus cos 2x over 4 plus c. And that is the answer. That is the answer. So what we are learning in this video tutorial, sometimes the question comes with squared function, sine squared, cos squared, tan squared, cot squared, right? You don't worry, you need to think about the different format of the trig function. What do you mean by different format? The different format is double angle or trig previous identities, bring it back to a format that is in the formula booklet, right? So you need to change the question into a format what you can integrate. So we have done the question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 we need to do. Now let's do the 5. Question number 5 is integrating tan squared 3x plus 1 dx equal. Now this can be written as integrating sec squared 3x plus 1 minus 1. Now that sec squared, we have a ready-made formula which is the pattern 9. The answer is tan 3x plus 1. Careful with that. You need to divide by the coefficient 3 minus x plus c. And that is the question number 5. And question number 6, integrating 10 sin x cos x dx. That can be, you can write as a 10 outside. Integrating sin x cos x can be written as sine 2x over 2 dx. That can be 10 divided by 2 is 5 outside, integrating sine 2x. That is, the answer is 5 minus 5. So because sine 2x integration is minus cos 2x. So minus 5 cos 2x over divide by 2 plus c. And that is the answer for question number 5 and question number 6. I hope you understand this one. So I'm going to be lifting the formula up. And I can see the question number 7 to 10. Let's practice some questions more now. Right? Question number 7, integrating sine 3x cos 3x dx. This is same as sin x cos x dx. So you can write as a double angle. So double angle of 3x is sine 6x divide by 2 integration dx. So sine 6x integration is minus cos 6x and divided by, there's a 2 already there, and divided by the coefficient 6. So the answer is minus 1/12 cos 6x plus c. That is the answer for the question number 7. Let's move on to the question number 8. So question number 8 is integrating 2 sin x plus cos x squared dx. Now what we want to do is we need to expand this one first. So I'm going to be keep the 2 outside of the integration of sine squared x plus 2 sine x cos x plus cos squared x dx. Now I'm going to be integrate this one straight away. Sine squared x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 plus, now I need to put a bracket here because inside got another 2, so that is 2 here. Now 2 times sine 2x, right? 2 sine x cos x can be written as sine 2 theta. So this is integrating sine 2x. Now plus integrating cos squared x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x divide by 2. Everywhere there's a dx there, careful. So we are integrating with respect to x. Now you can tell the answer. 2 is outside and bracket 1 over 2 is there. So 1 over 2x minus cos 2x integration is sine 2x over 2. So there's a 2 already there, sine 2x over 4 plus sine 2x integration is minus cos 2x and divided by 2 plus, now 1 over 2 integration is 1 over 2x, then plus cos 2x integration is sine 2x over 2. There was a 2 there already. 2 times 2, 4, bracket close. So now we need to multiply everything by 2 and you will get the final answer as, let me change the color, then it will stand out. So have a look at this one. I quickly simplify. So this is half x here, half x here. So half x here, add them together, 1x times by 2, that is 2x. Then minus sine 2x over 4, cancel with plus sine 2x over 4. And the final answer minus cos 2x over 2 times by 2. Then that answer is minus cos 2x plus c. And that is the answer. Making sure you did the integration correctly. So 1 minus cos 2x over 2. This part half mean integration half is half x minus cos 2x integration is minus sine 2x over 2. However, there is a 2 already there. 2 times 2 is 4. Then minus cos 2x over 2 is clear, because that is sine 2x integration is minus cos 2x over 2. Then plus half x plus sine 2x over 4. Cancel. Then the final answer is like this. So that is the question number 8. Now we are doing the question number 9, everyone. Let's look at the question number 9. So you need to make sure you change the question into a different format, so the integration will be lots easier. Question number 9, integrating 1 plus cos x over sine squared x dx. Now I'm going to be change this integration into two parts. 1 over sine squared x plus integration of cos x over sine squared x dx. And this will give 1 over sine squared x is cos x squared x plus integration cos x over sine x is cot x, and 1 over sine x is cosec x. So I can write this as a cosec x, cot x. We studied this one previously, dx. And now we have a ready-made formula. Cosec squared x integration is minus cot x, and cosec x cot x is minus cosec x, and then plus cosec x plus c. And that is the question number 9. Question number 10, again another integration with the trig function. Carefully, question number 10, integrating cot x minus tan x whole thing squared. Now we need to use the like algebra a minus b whole thing squared. So integrating cot squared minus 2 times cot x tan x plus tan squared x dx. So you can individually integrate. Cot squared you can write as a cosec squared x minus 1 minus 2 cot x and tan x cancel. Why? Cot x is 1 over tan x times tan x, the tan x cancel. So minus 2, then plus tan square x can be written as sec square x minus 1 dx. Now the question becomes very simpler, and now we are going to write that as integrating cosec square x minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 is going to be minus 4 plus sec squared x dx. Now we can look at the formula sheet. There is a ready-made formula available. Cosec squared x answer is minus cot x, and minus 4 is minus 4x. Sec squared is tan x, and plus c. And that is the answer for question number 10. And that is the end of the video tutorial. We have another 4 more tutorials to finish and mastering this integration. Once you finish the all 10 types of video tutorial, you will be familiar to face any kind of integration type question. See you in the next video. Bye.